Welcome back to everyone. Here's your weekly Philippine stock market update covering June 22 to June 26, 2026. Let us break down what happened in the PSEI, what moved the market this week, and what the charts are telling us about our favorite blue chip stocks. This week, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index continued its recovery but faced resistance near the 6,150 to 6,200 area, eventually closing around 6,072 points. Looking at the chart, we can see that the buyers were able to defend the important 6,050 support level, which was previously a resistance zone. That's a positive technical development because old resistance often become new support. However, every attempt to push higher was met with profit-taking, especially as the index approached the next major resistance near 6,380. The good news is that momentum continues to improve. The MACD remains on a bullish crossover with expanding positive momentum, suggesting buyers are still in control, although they haven't completely taken over the market just yet. So, what drove the market this week? The biggest catalyst remains the improving inflation outlook. Investors continue to gain confidence after inflation eased, reducing concerns that the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas would need to implement additional interest rate hikes in the near term. At the same time, global market sentiment improved as investors became more optimistic that major central banks may also be nearing the end of their tightening cycles. We also saw selective foreign buying return to Philippine equities, helping sustain the recent rebound. Meanwhile, bargain hunting continued in a undervalued blue chip stocks, although gains were tempered by profit-taking whenever the index approached key resistance levels. Now, let's talk about the major index stocks. Overall, the technical picture continues to improve. BDO and Metrobank remain among the strongest performers, with both banks maintaining bullish momentum, higher lows, and healthy accumulation as investors continue to favor the banking sector. Ayala Land Corporation and GT Capital Holdings are also showing encouraging recovery patterns, gradually challenging important resistance levels as overall market sentiment improves. In the property sector, Ayala Land, MegaWorld, and SM Prime Holdings continue building solid bases after months of weakness. Lower inflation expectations are helping these interest rate sensitive stocks, but they'll still need stronger buying volume before confirming a sustained uptrend. Jollibee Foods Corporation continues to stand out as one of the market's strongest names, supported by resilient consumer demand and a solid technical structure. Meanwhile, Converge ICT remains in an accumulation phase with improving momentum but still waiting for a convincing breakout. JG Summit is gradually recovering as well, although it continues to lag behind its conglomerate peers and remains sensitive to broader economic development. So, what's next for the market? From a technical perspective, the PSEI has already accomplished an important milestone by reclaiming the 6,050 support zone. As long as the index stays above this level, the recovery remains intact. The next challenge for the bulls will be the 6,380 resistance, and a successful breakout there could open the door towards 6,500 to 6,600 area. On the other hand, if profit taking intensifies and the index falls below 6,050, we could see another test of support around 5,810 to 5,900. And our last words we want to leave to our viewers: the market might be entering consolidation phase. This phase isn't a signal to rush but a reminder to continue positioning strategically. Once again, the issues affecting the market are temporary, so we have to keep in mind to ignore the noise, stick to your plan, and stay focused in identifying opportunities and capitalize on it. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with a domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com. Or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There's no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you all on my next video. Ciao!